Good day and welcome to Mathematics Grade 2. If you have any questions or concerns regarding today's lesson, please feel free to contact me at teachernarisha@gmail.com. As always, we're going to start today by counting, so please count from 1 to 50 and back to 1, in multiples of 2 to 50 and back to 2, in multiples of 5 to 50 and back to 5, in multiples of 10 to 50 and back to 10, and then please count from 34 to 50, back from 50 to 34. Please pause the screen as you do your counting activity. Next, I want you to open on page 16 so that we can quickly do the mental maths. So please write today's day, Wednesday, and 27 of the first month, which is January 2021. So please order from big to small, the first row of numbers. So you're going to write them from big to small here, then order from small to big. Then I want you to write the number name for 13. Then I want you to use your Unifix blocks to show 8 units and 110, 110 and 0 units, and 110 and 7 units. Remember, each block resembles a unit. So over here, I have 8 units. And if I have 10 units of the same color, I can stack them on top of each other to form a tens block, as we see over here. So this is 110, and this is 8 units. In 110 block, there is 10 units. When you are done with your mental maths, you can proceed to the fact families. Today we are going to continue with the fact families or number bonds of 8. So today we will be looking at 2 and 6, 3 and 5. So as always, I will help you with the first one. Please do the second one on your own. So 2 plus 6 equals 8. 6 plus 2 equals 8. 8 take away 2 equals 6. And 8 take away 6 equals 2. Then I want you to do the same with 3 and 5. Quickly pause the screen, copy into your books, and then unpause as soon as you are ready to continue. Today we are going to look at different ways to solve problems. So here we want to know what is 3 plus 5. The first method I'm going to show you is by using pictures or drawings. So I'm going to draw 3 circles and 5 stars, and then we're going to count them together. So 1, 2, 3 plus 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we count them together, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 objects on the screen. So 3 plus 5 equals 8. Now let's look at 6 plus 7. Then we're going to count. I draw 6 circles, 7 stars. Now we're going to count how many is on the screen. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So 6 plus 7 equals 13. We can also use this method when taking away or subtracting. So I'm going to draw 18 triangles, 12, 18, and then I'm going to take away 9. So I have 18 triangles. Now I'm going to take away 9 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we're going to count how many is left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 18 take away 9 leaves us with 9. Now let's try 20 take away 11. So again I'm going to draw 20 triangles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I'm going to take away 11. So let's take away. I'm just going to draw a line through them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then again, we're going to count how many we have left. So I had 20. I took away 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 20 take away 11 equals 9. Now, that's our first method, and we're going to apply it as soon as we get to do our work. Next, we are going to look at doubling. This is something you did last year as well, so let's see how well you remember. So when I say, for instance, I want to double 1, what I do on the one side, I have to do on the other side. So I have one red dot this side, and I'm going to put another one on the other side, and now I'm going to see 1 plus 1 equals 2. So double 1 is 2 because 1 plus 1 is 2. Now I have 2, so I put 2 dots on this side, 2 on this side. So now I'm going to say 2 plus 2 equals 4 because I have 4 dots on the screen. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 plus 2 equals 4. Now we do 3, so 3 dots on the left, 3 dots on my right, so I use 3 red, 3 blue, so 3 plus 3 equals 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So double 3 equals 6. Now we're going to look at 4, so 4 dots on my left, 4 dots on my right. Now we're going to say it's 4 plus 4 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 dots altogether. So 4 on this side and 4 on this side means double 4 is 8. So what I do on one side, I do on the other. Now let's look at 5. So 5 on the left, 5 on the right. 5 plus 5 equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 5 plus 5 equals 10. So double 5 is 10. Now we're going to do 6. So I have 6 on this side, 6 on this side. So 6 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 6 plus 6 is 12. Therefore, I can say double 6 equals 12. So 6 and 6 equals 12. Double 6 equals 12. Now we're going to look at 7 on the left, 7 on the right side. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 7 plus 7 equals 14. So double 7 on my left. Then I put 7 on my right, and if I count them, I will see I have 14. So double 7 is 14. Now we're going to do 8 on my left, 8 on my right. We're going to say 8 plus 8 because we want to know how much they are together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 8 plus 8 is 16. Therefore, we can say 8 plus 8. It means double 8 is 16. Now we're going to look at 9 on my left, 9 on my right. So we say 9 plus 9. So I have 9 over here. So I'm going to say 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. So 9 plus 9 is 18. Therefore, double 9 is 18. So I have 9 plus 9 equals 18. Double 9 is therefore 18. Now we're going to look at number 10. So I have 10 on my left, 10 on my right, and I'm going to say 10 plus 10. So we have 10 over here. So we're going to continue counting. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 10 plus 10 is 20, which means double 10 equals 20. So 10 plus 10 is 20. Double 10 is 20. So let's see if you can remember. We said double 1 is 2. Double 2 is 4. Double 3 is 6. Double 4 is 8. Double 5 is 10. Double 6 is 12. Double 7 is 14. Double 8 is 16. Double 9, 18, and double 10 is 20. So now that we have our doubling, we're going to start looking at halving. So doubling we did on one side, we had to do on the other side. So now with halving, we are going to cut it in half, and then we're only going to count one side. So 2 take away 1 equals 1. So half of 2 is 1. So you have 2, and I'm going to take away 1 because I cut it in half. So I'm going to cut it in half. That leaves me with 1. Now we have 4. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to count how much I have on one side, and that leaves me with 2. So therefore I can say 4 take away 2 of them equals 2. So here we have 4. I'm going to cut it in half, and it leaves me with 2. Now we're going to look at 6. I'm going to cut it in half, and I'm going to, sometimes you can cut it like this, other times you can cut it like this. So vertically or horizontally, I'm going to cut it horizontally. So we can see I have 1, 2, 3. So 6 take away 3 equals 3. Therefore 6 take away 3. So here I'm just going to find the middle and cut it in half, take it away, and that leaves me with 3. So half of 6 is 3. Now we're going to look at 8. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to count how much I have on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore we can say 8 take away 4 equals 4. So here again I have 8. I'm going to cut it in half and take away half of my balls, and I see half of 8 is 4. Now we're going to look at 10. I'm going to cut it in half. I'm going to count how many I have on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 10 take away 5 equals 5. Therefore I have 10 balls. I cut it in half, and then I will see I'm left with 5. Now we're going to look at 12. I'm going to put my 12 balls. I'm going to cut it in half and count how many I have on one side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Supposed to have 6 balls here. So 12 take away 6 equals 6. So here I have 12 balls. I'm going to take away 6 of them, and therefore I am left with 6. Now I have 14. Oh, this one. 14. I'm going to take away 7. Half of them is 7. So here I have 14 balls. I'm left with 7. So again we have 16. We're going to take away half. We're going to be left with 8. So 16 take away 8 is 8. Here I have 16 balls. I find half. I take away half, and I see I'm left with 8. Now we're going to do the same with 18. We will have 18 balls. We're going to cut them in half, and we're going to see we are left with 9. So 18 take away 9 equals 9. So you have 18 balls. I'm going to find half. I'm going to take away half, and I am left with 9. So half of 18 is 9. And then finally we are left with 20. We're going to cut it in half and see we are left with 10. So 20 take away half equals 10. So now we're going to revise. Half of 20 is 10. Half of 18 is 9. Half of 16 is 8. Half of 14 is 7. Half of 12 is 6. Half of 10 is 5. Half of 8 is 4. Half of 6 is 3. Half of 4 is 2. And half of 2 is 1. So I want you to open on page 17 as indicated, and then I want you to solve the following. So 1 plus 1, 2 plus 2, 3 plus 3, all the way to 10. Then you are going to double, so double 5, double 10, double 7. Then you are going to half, so 2 take away 1, 4 take away 2, 6 take away 3. And then I want you to half, so half of 20 equals what? Half of 12 equals what? So quickly pause. Make sure you revisit if you'd struggle, and then you are going to answer. Make use of the method as I showed you. When you are done with page 17, you can go to page 18, where I want you to use drawings or counters to solve the following. So for instance, you have 10 plus 9. So you're going to do 10 balls plus 9, and you're going to write the answer. 20 take away 7, so 20 balls take away 9 equals the answer. So that is all for today, page 16, 17, and 18. I will see you guys tomorrow again with another mathematical lesson. Please make use of the communication channels as shown on the screen, or feel free to contact me via email at teachernarisha@gmail.com.